Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Valentine's craft using these 3 hearts that I picked up from the Dollar Tree along with some ribbons. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these tags off and this ribbon. I'm not going to use that. I'm actually going to use this I picked up from probably Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So what I want to do is I want the white one in the middle and the 2 tan ones on each side. See how this goes. I'm going to string this through here. I might want to do it one on each side. Yeah, I'll do that. Loop it through here. Gonna knot it. There we go. Ooh, that one unraveled. It's fine. Turn that off. I want this knot in the back. I might glue it. There we go. Just need to find a spot. This last one was a little bit tighter, so my weaving needle was not going to work, so I had to go with a different way of getting that rope through that heart. What I end up doing is that when I get it into the heart, then I pull out my pliers to help me pull it through. Okay, not ideal, but that's fine. This through here. So this is what I have so far. I think I want to do 3 messy bows. I have these ribbons. Now I don't want my messy bow to be too big. Maybe 6 inches in length. Maybe do 3 of each pattern. So now that I have my ribbons cut, we're going to go in at an X. Oh wait, no. My fan is on, so stuff's flying everywhere. To make a messy bow, all you're doing is creating an X with each pattern and layering it on top of each other. Let me get this to as close as the middle as I can. I can always trim up the tails. Like always, I'm just going to get it started, lowering it to the back. These little pipe cleaners here. Put one through the back, and then crank it all the way down. And that's a messy bow. I use the pipe cleaners to my advantage to fan out these ribbons. Don't really have to do too much to them. You just want to fan them in each direction. And the reason why I use the zip tie because it makes the tails pop up really well. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it makes it come alive. I'll put that right here. Wow. Just gonna twist it off in the back. Actually, what I can do is use this pipe cleaner as my hanger. I'll just fold that on itself, right? And twist tie it on itself. Now I have a hanger. Friends, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments or let me know how you would do this differently. So I need 2 more messy bows. I'm going to put these right in the middle. And this is it, folks. I'm going to put it on the door so you can see what it looks like. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you feel like hitting that like button, maybe give it a share or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it because it does help out this small channel. Thanks again. Bye.